Let's talk about work. It's a topic that touches all of our lives, whether we're just starting out in our careers or have been in the workforce for decades. It's the thing that takes up a third of our lives, often more. Think about all the hours we dedicate to our jobs, the energy we invest, and the impact it has on our overall well-being. For our parents, the path was simple, or at least it seemed that way from our perspective. School, job, retirement. A clear, linear progression. That's ancient history now. The world of work has transformed dramatically. The job for life is gone, a relic of a bygone era. The idea of staying with one company for your entire career is increasingly rare. We're in the middle of a work revolution, a period of unprecedented change and disruption. And most of us are just trying to keep up, scrambling to adapt to the ever-shifting landscape. Two major forces are driving this transformation. They are automation and the rise of the gig economy. Automation means robots and AI are increasingly capable of doing jobs once reserved for humans. This is happening everywhere, from factories to offices, impacting a wide range of industries and professions. The gig economy? It's side hustles, those extra income streams many of us pursue. It's freelancing, offering your skills and services on a project basis. And it's app-based work, connecting with customers and clients through digital platforms. It's flexible, offering freedom and autonomy, but often unpredictable, with income that can fluctuate wildly. The old rules are out, the traditional employment models are fading away. Skills that mattered yesterday might be useless tomorrow, highlighting the need for continuous learning and upskilling. Stability is being replaced by constant adaptation, a willingness to embrace change and learn new things. But this isn't a funeral for the past, a lament for what once was. It's a wake-up call, an opportunity to rethink our approach to work and career. The future of work is here. It's not some distant concept, it's happening right now. Let's figure out how to make it work for us, how to navigate this new landscape and thrive in the age of constant change. Automation isn't just sci-fi. It's your self-checkout, your ATM, your chatbot. Now AI is taking things further, learning, adapting, making decisions. It's reading legal documents, analyzing medical scans, even composing music. Jobs that are predictable and repetitive. Data entry, truck driving, some accounting are at risk. Self-driving trucks and AI-powered claims processors are already here. But automation isn't just about job loss. It's about job change. New roles are emerging. Robotics techs, AI ethics officers, drone pilots. The real opportunity? Don't compete with machines, work with them. The future is man plus machine, not man versus machine. Adaptability is your edge. Learn to leverage technology and you'll stay ahead. The workplace is evolving, so should you. The traditional concept of a permanent job, with its predictable hours and steady paycheck, is rapidly evolving. The gig economy represents a significant shift in how we work. It signals the end of the permanent job as we know it, and the rise of the side hustle, where individuals piece together income from various sources. You're your own boss, setting your own direction and making independent decisions. You're working project to project, embracing a dynamic and varied work life. Driving, designing, writing, delivering. Platforms like Uber, DoorDash, and Upwork connect you to work instantly, offering immediate opportunities at your fingertips. The big draw? Flexibility is the main selling point. Set your hours, work from anywhere in the world, take time off when you want, creating a work-life balance that suits your needs. For many, it's a game changer, a liberating experience that breaks free from traditional constraints. It's especially appealing for students juggling studies, parents balancing childcare, or anyone needing control over their schedule and income. But there's a catch, a significant downside to consider. There are no benefits like health insurance or paid time off, no job security to fall back on, and unpredictable income that can fluctuate wildly. You're managed by algorithms, not people. Your performance constantly evaluated by automated systems. And you can be deactivated without warning, losing your income stream with little recourse. The freedom is real. The ability to choose your work and environment is a powerful draw. But so is the instability, the constant pressure to find the next gig and manage your finances. For some, it's opportunity, a chance to build a business and control their destiny. For others, it's a non-stop hustle, a constant grind to make ends meet. The gig economy is here to stay, a permanent fixture in the modern labor market. Just know what you're signing up for. Understand the terms and conditions before you commit. Flexibility comes at a price, and it's crucial to assess whether you're willing to pay it. Choose wisely, considering both the potential rewards and the inherent risks. With robots and apps reshaping work, skills are your survival kit. Forget a degree for life. Learning never stops. Tech skills are essential. Digital literacy, data basics, online collaboration. But your secret weapon? Soft skills. Critical thinking, creativity, and collaboration. These are uniquely human. Emotional intelligence is as vital as technical know-how. Communication and storytelling set you apart in a world of information overload. Machines process data, but humans inspire action. Focus on what makes you human. Adaptability, empathy, innovation. That's your edge in the future of work. Navigating the complex landscape of the future of work isn't a solo endeavor. Workers, innovative businesses, and forward-thinking governments all play a crucial and interconnected part in shaping what's to come. It requires a collaborative spirit and a shared vision. For workers, the individuals at the heart of this transformation, continuous learning is paramount. Keep learning. Keep adapting to the ever-evolving demands of the job market. Upskill to enhance your current abilities, reskill to pivot into new fields, and diversify your skill set to become more resilient and adaptable. For businesses, the engines of economic growth, invest in your people, not just in machines and automation. Human capital is your most valuable asset. Train your workers to thrive alongside technology, empowering them to leverage its potential and contribute meaningfully. For gig platforms, the facilitators of flexible work offer fairer policies and robust protections for your workers. Stability matters, even in a flexible environment. For governments, the architects of social well-being modernize the social safety net to reflect the realities of the modern workforce. Benefits should follow the worker, not be tethered to a specific job. Portability is key in a dynamic labor market. Education must evolve to focus on cultivating creativity, honing critical thinking skills, and instilling essential digital skills from day one of a child's educational journey. Change can be scary and unsettling, but it presents a unique chance to build something significantly better and more equitable for all. Together, we can create jobs that are not only flexible and adaptable, but also deeply meaningful and fundamentally fair for every individual, regardless of their background or circumstances. The future of work isn't about robots replacing us and rendering human skills obsolete. It's about technology empowering us to achieve more, innovate faster, and create a more prosperous world. The future of work is not predetermined. It is what we collectively choose to make it. So let's roll up our sleeves and get to work building a brighter future for everyone.